Welcome or welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a fun little sea shanty called Leave Her Johnny, Leave Her on the violin, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, maybe you're new around here, consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a new video. And if you're interested in learning the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added slurs and ornaments, then you won't want to miss the extended tutorial over on Patreon. As always, timestamps are listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Alright, so we're in the key of D major for this one, so we've got two sharps, and the first phrase begins right on an open D. We have a couple of pickup notes. The first phrase goes like this. So we're mostly staying on the D string there. We do go up to A at the very end of that phrase. The next phrase starts on the A string with our third finger D, and it goes like this. Okay, so already we're kind of alternating between quarter notes and eighth notes. We do have some dotted quarter notes and eighth notes in there as well, that long, short rhythm. So be sure to watch out for that. And now we've arrived at the chorus, and we're gonna start on a low E with our first finger on the D string. Okay, so we have a little bit of echoing going on as far as the rhythm goes. We had that same rhythm twice within that phrase. First, starting with our E quarter notes on the D string, and then mimicking that same line with our B quarter notes on the A string. And the next phrase goes like this. So for that one, we started on the A string with our D, and then we came down to the D string. We just had a kind of a slow descent. So starting on A, coming down to D, and then making our way down to open D there. And again, we had that little long, short rhythm that showed up earlier. So be sure to be listening for anything that's repeated. We did have some repeated notes in there. So that way you're able to recall things that you've already learned instead of treating it as brand new material. It's really just a slight variation on the things that you've learned earlier in the tune in this case. So now that we've reached the end of the tune, let's go ahead and play the whole thing together at a slow tempo for more practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That was all of Leave Her Johnny, Leave Her. I hope you enjoyed learning that sea shanty with me today. And again, if you're interested in adding a little bit more to it, if you're feeling comfortable with that melody and you'd like to add in some slurs and some fun grace notes to really add to this style, then be sure to check out the extended tutorial over on Patreon. And if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music for this tune, it is available on my website. So feel free to take a look at that using the link in the description box below. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members. So if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing.